Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to hide videos on your iPhone. First, open the Photos app and select the video or videos you wish to hide. Tap the three dots icon in the bottom right corner of your screen. From the menu that appears, choose the Hide option. Confirm your selection when prompted. This action moves the video to a dedicated hidden album, keeping it out of your main library view. It's a simple process to maintain your privacy. Once you've selected your video, look for the Share Sheet icon, which looks like a square with an arrow pointing upwards. Tap this icon to bring up a list of options. Scroll down through these options until you see Hide. Tapping Hide will prompt a confirmation message. Confirming will then move your selected video into the hidden album, making it invisible in your main photo library and other albums. This keeps your personal content private. To view your hidden videos, navigate back to the Photos app. Tap on the Albums tab at the bottom of your screen. Scroll down to the Utilities section and you'll find an album labeled Hidden. You might need to use Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode to access this album, adding an extra layer of security. Once inside, you can view your hidden content or select videos to unhide them, returning them to your main library. While the Photos app offers a basic hiding feature, for enhanced privacy, you might explore third-party applications available in the App Store. These apps often provide more robust security options, such as password protection for individual folders, decoy albums, or even cloud-based secure storage. Always research app reviews to ensure reliability and security before downloading. Remember to check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, as well as other great deals. These tools can give you greater control over your personal media.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.